Hello everyone, this is me, Paul, and I'm coming from you here from Tampa, Florida. I just created a channel, Drones and Weather, yesterday. So I'm new to this, so I'm creating it. But I will be talking about three of my drones as well as the weather. I've been watching the weather since I was 8 years old, so I'll be covering the weather as well and give you all you need to know about the weather, as well as what type of drones handle the weather and which ones does not. But without further ado, I will show you the three drones that I currently have. Over here, this is the Mini 2. Over here, this is the Air 2. And over here, this is the FPV drone. All these drones are from DJI, and I also have a DJI Smart Controller, and I'll be showing you all of these as we go along. I'll be posting new content every week and soon daily. So just give me a moment, as this channel is new, but I'm doing my very best. So if you will please like and subscribe, I will greatly appreciate it. And I'll also show you some content I've taken from Tampa as well, from Bayshore Boulevard, everything. So without further ado, I love y'all and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Peace.